What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Simone, and I'm back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising. Taurus, what's up, Taurus? How are you? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Simone, and here we're creating tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation music, meditation videos. We're creating tarot videos, meditation videos, affirmation videos, meditation music, something like that. But you get the point, okay? We got the works. So if you're interested in any of that, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and don't miss out on any new videos and all that good, all that YouTube shit, okay? Damn, like I feel like some of the tongue twister. A tongue twister? Ooh. Okay, we stop. Taurus, what? Stop. But yeah, okay, let's see what's up with Taurus for the next 2 weeks. For April 1st to April 14th, Taurus. Oh, yikes. Bad timing. Somebody, who got that? Who got bad timing? Oh, wow. Overnight success. Okay, so bad timing, overnight success, and leeches, fallout, non-believer, or lack mindset. And then you are the one kept being at the bottom of the deck. So I feel like you are the one, Taurus, to be an overnight success. You are the one that like everybody is kind of like looking to for something, and then soulmate under that. But I feel like around you, you may have like a lot of people that are leeching from you, or taking from you, or draining you, or not believing in you, or having a lack mindset, or they just like every time you try to create something or try to work on something, you try to improve yourself, or you try to make like a positive move for you, it feels like bad timing, or these people, places, and things make you feel like it's bad timing, or it's not the right time. It's never the right time to say goodbye. Let me stop. But like you are the one to be successful at something. Like I really feel like you're finding success, and it's just I don't remember the fucking story, but basically the idea of being blessed in front of your enemies, right? So it's like all these people that was talking all that shit, and you was like, I'm about to be a millionaire. They was talking all that shit, and you was like, I'm about to be a millionaire. Like, they was talking that shit, and then you was like, you know what? I am a millionaire. Like, I made it now. Like, I'm a millionaire. I did it. And then they're like, what? No, how could you do this before me? Like, yeah, something's being revealed with the moon. Like, how did you? Like, what the fuck? Like, yeah. Like, I feel like the bad timing, I feel like is these leeches wanting to come in, or to speak to you, to communicate with you, to be in union with you, to celebrate with you, to hang out with you, party with you, talk to you, whatever the case is. They want to be in your energy, but I feel like you're saying no because you're focused. Like, I'm really focused on this overnight success in your reading, because it's like you, matter of fact, I'm gonna put you are the one right above that, because I feel like all eyes on you. This guy, it's his birthday. He's just walking all over everything. But yeah, I feel like all eyes on you. Everything is on you, or all, like, everything on me. It's all on me. Like, that's, it just, I'm feeling that heavy with you, Taurus. So let's see, let's pull some tarot. Let's get into it. Bad timing. Why is bad timing here for Taurus? We have the Ace of Wands reversed. So yeah, something is being denied, like an action, a choice. Like somebody's not moving towards something. something, again, is being denied. Then we have the Seven of Cups reversed and the Queen of Cups. So yeah, you're making some people unhappy. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, a water sign, with the Queen of Cups. But basically, you are turning down an offer, or you're turning down an option, or you're turning down options. So I feel like it's like everything is kind of being thrown at you, or like presented to you, like, hey Taurus, let's do this. Hey Taurus, do you want to work on this? Hey Taurus, do that, this, that. And you're getting to a point where you're like, no, this is bad timing. Like I feel like before you were more receptive, like you're more likely to kind of bend to people's wills, or to bend and to be flexible. I feel like you've been being flexible, or you've been trying to be flexible, but now you're like, I don't want to do that anymore. Like it's just the wrong time. Like I also feel like you have multiple projects, or there are multiple things that you're working on, and then you're deciding to only work on the things that you're passionate about. Like you're not going to force yourself to do certain things at certain times. Like I feel like definitely have a plan, but I feel like you're more so flowing with inspiration. Yeah, I feel like there's a flow with inspiration, and denying things that you just don't want. Like there's just bad timing. Like if it's literal bad timing, you're just like, no. So like if it's like you had a meeting and you had to you have to reschedule. You just have to fucking reschedule because it's bad timing. Like you don't I don't want to say you don't feel like working on it, but that's what I feel like with the Queen of Cups. Like you don't feel like doing something. You don't feel like having these options. Like I feel like you don't feel like working on these different projects. It's one thing that you want to focus on. Or you're tired of bending and being flexible, and that's not even really your energy. Like all of this water and then fire, like it's not even your energy. So it's like you were kind of going with somebody else's flow, and like not even in your own energy, Taurus. Like you're not even. Let me pull some more cards, because there's no earth in this reading so far. So it's just like all of this water, and like you're not. Although you can rock with that, LOL, get it? You can rock with that water, but you still don't move. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like you've been moving a lot, or you've been being flexible, or you've been, again, like bending and catering to people's needs and wants. And now you need a fucking break is what it feels like. Like shit just, yeah, let's move on. Overnight success. Overnight success for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising. We have the Four of Cups reversed, so more cups. Like you're really in your feelings about something, or somebody's really in their feelings about this being denied. But I mean, there's success in saying no to something. Yeah, you're receiving, okay, boom, here we go. You're receiving messages and communications, oh my God. You're receiving messages or quick communication or fast communication about this King of Pentacles energy, or this is you. You're coming into this King of Pentacles energy quickly because you're saying no to whatever is not that energy, or whatever is not what you want. And yeah, there's a lot of success there. Yeah, Queen of Swords, you're being clear and you're communicating what it is that you want. And I feel like you're getting that overnight. Or you're feeling that overnight. Let's see, leeches, fallout, non-believers, and lack mindset. Ooh. We have the Knight of Wands, the Six of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. So you're being guided. You're being quickly guided is what it feels like. You're being quickly guided away from something. Let me show you. You're being quickly guided away from something because I feel like it's not what you wanted, or it's not in alignment with your dream, or it's putting you off your path to your dream. And it's like you got to get back on track. And you're really happy about being guided away from something, or you're really happy about not having to work on something, not having to do something, not having to bend all the time, not having to move whenever people want you to move, but moving to a space where you feel comfortable, where you feel happy. Oh, it's trying to die on me. Okay, but you're moving to a space where you feel comfortable and you feel happy, and you're moving quickly. So I feel like you're moving away from these leeches or these non-believers or these people that put you in this energy. So even if that's saying no to, or even if that's saying no to someone, you're moving away from something. And I feel like the faster you do that, the faster you move away from something, the faster you'll see this overnight success. Like you're the one that has to initiate this, Taurus. Like you're the one that has to say something or to do something. And again, I feel like it's out of your element to do this, to communicate this, or to act in this way. So I feel like you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Like you're probably comfortable like bending to someone's will, or catering to someone, or catering to some people, catering to this empress, or you are this empress that's being catered to, and feeling like you can't really create because you're always creating for someone else, or doing something for something else. Like I feel like there's a lot that you want to do, but you haven't done anything for you, and you need to really focus on you. Like I can't get over this finger that's just pointing. Hold on, let me see my iPad looking like. Okay. I want to pull one more card on overnight success, and then I'm gonna wrap this up because I don't want it to die. Let me see. Overnight success for Taurus. Good God. Overnight success for, God damn, okay. This is too many cards. But what stands out to me is this Nine of Pentacles and this Nine of Pentacles. So this is more earth energy, like more your speed, more your energy. I see you coming out of meditation, or coming out of this period where you were resting, or you're coming into a period of rest. You're leaving a home, or leaving a situation or a partnership. Yeah, you're putting something to rest, or you're taking a break from something, or you're resting from something, and in turn that's transforming you. That's transforming you back to your energy. So you may be needing to rejuvenate, or to hibernate, or to get yourself back together is what it is feeling like. Like you're giving to yourself. You're getting back to yourself, and you're letting your guard down on something. But yeah, okay. So let's pull an oracle for you, Taurus. I'm gonna wrap it up. Advice for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay. Shout out Family Guy. Anyway, okay, bring love into the situation. Oh my God, I knew it! And step out of your comfort zone. Nice. So yeah, bring love into the situation. Give love to yourself, Taurus. Like focus on, take a break. If you've been working really hard on like a lot of shit, I feel like all of that shit has been draining you. Like, I don't even feel like you're around a lot of non-believers, although you could be. I feel like the people around you do believe in you, but it's more of a draining kind of taking from you, when you need to be focused on your own projects or your own things that it is that you were put on earth for to do. And I feel like, again, that's going against the grain for you. That's you stepping out of your comfort zone and doing that. and then have faith in your dreams at the bottom of the deck. So yeah, whatever it is that you've been dreaming about and you want to do and you've been thinking about, and then all this purple, look at all this purple, and then even this one, a time for healing. Like it's time for you to go back and rejuvenate, recuperate, like recover. That's the word I'm looking for, recover. But yeah, so that's what I have for you for the next 2 weeks, Taurus. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, share the video, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And yeah, if you need a personal reading, information for that is in the description box below. So until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you. And I'll see you later. Bye.